Nilfisk presents REV, a radically new way to clean, restore, and maintain your floors, increasing your productivity and sustainability. When restoring and maintaining floors that contain finish, the conventional stripping process can be time-consuming and expensive. Floors with finish have multiple layers, but the top layer is the one that gets damaged, leaving the middle and bottom layers undamaged and without reason to be removed. By using a random orbital scrubbing technology, the patented REV system cleans using the same principle as known from the sanding industry. This movement uses far less water and chemicals, as well as prolonging the lifetime of the scrubbing pad by up to 2.5 times, leaving your floors with a perfectly scrubbed surface with no swirl marks. With the REV system, you need less time, equipment, and chemicals, keeping you productive with an improved total cost of ownership. And the best thing, you may never need to strip your floors again. Available on selected models.